sparks out on it. And there she goes. And there you go. Oh. One take of match. Enjoy.
So I had a visitor in the Outback today. My mate Lee came round to have a go with the bow drill. These are bow drill sets that I've made up for an upcoming video that you'll be able to watch. And here he is having his second attempt at bow drilling.
Nice. Burning in.
With a different spindle on a different half board.
So you know you've got it. That's it.
And he's burning the set in.
That's burnt in.
Successfully. And now he's cut the knots. And he's having a go at getting an ember.
I get longer strokes of the bow as well. It saves less energy.
Don't forget, this is his second attempt, so the guy's doing really well.
It should be warming up now. You see a bit of smoke coming.
You can see smoke coming. It's so nearly there.
Keep her going. Looking good.
And it doesn't seem to be getting any more smoke coming. There's just the odd whiff.
Get for them last 10. Go on. Go on, get for them last 10.
And it's starting to polish out a little bit.
Yep. Don't move it. Just relax.
Don't see any smoke.
Is it smoking? Give it a little waft. Don't blow on it, just give it a little waft.
And unfortunately, this spindle, which is a very old spindle, hasn't been successful. So we decided we'd swap the spindles out.
But I'm not sure what that spindle is.
And as you can see instantly with a fresh spindle,
that looks much better.
He's getting lots more smoke. Don't forget, this is his second attempt at it.
You've got an ember.
And he's got an ember.
You've got an ember. It's smoking. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do it. You've got it. Just let it consolidate.
I said it was pretty fair before.
So now we're just finding a bit of bark that we can pop the ember out with, but in the meantime, leaving it alone, letting it consolidate in there. And Lee's going to then flick it out onto the birch bark that we've already got underneath. And there's his ember, and you can just see the bit smoking. Now, this is the second attempt we had. It's the last of the tinder we had, and he hadn't made a very good bird's nest, and it wasn't the best of tinder. But it's starting to smoke, as you can see. Gotta give the guy credit. This is the second go on the trot he's done with this.
It's going to go in a sec, look. Give it a wave.
The smoke is getting to the grass. The grass is catching.
No, I'm taking your time out.
It's nearly there. It's getting that thick. But as you can see, the bird's nest breaking up in his hands a little bit. There's lots of thick smoke. That grass is so close to igniting.
That's got to go afloat.
But the bird's nest is breaking up. And there was a little flame there. I did see it on the left. But unfortunately, he makes a big mistake in the second one. As you can see, the bird's nest all falling apart on
Well,
him.
there we go.
And it's so close to going. There was a flame again near the ember. There it is again on the side. It's so close to catching, but it's just not tight enough and held tight enough to catch a flame. And now he's made the big mistake. He's opened it
Well,
up.
don't open it up, you'll lose it if you open it up.
And unfortunately, he's lost it.
Nearly lost it. You opened it up. Oh, no.
But success
No, I won't get your face.
on the first one. And there's the proof. So 2 embers, 1 fire. Kudos to you, Lee.
My mate got it working.
And now I've set the smoke alarm off, so I was just talking over that. It might have got a bit foul.
I'll send it to you later.
And now Lee's having another go of trying the actual bearing block with the bearing in it.
It's the bearing block.
As I've explained on an upcoming video,
It takes some getting used to that.
but they do take some getting used to.
It's a lot freer, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it makes you position yourself correctly. It will only work when you're positioning yourself squarely onto the spindle. So in that aspect, it is a good training tool. And the string's stretching a little there, I think, as well. These are new bows, new strings. They'll all be how to make them, and everything else will be in the upcoming video that I'm bringing out. From start to finish, where to get the timbers from, how to make them.
Much straighter, that's one of the things we use in that.
But as you can see, it's slightly an angle.
It's like you got it.
And he doesn't really get on with it, but it was fun to try.
You had it though.
Well done, Lee.